Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today we're going to unbox our brand new Starlink. Now this is the standard dish for the, I guess they're now calling it the mobile roam service. So we're going to find out what's in the box. All right, seems to be pretty well packed. It's got the first layer of cardboard and then a second layer of cardboard. They're definitely taking care to protect this dish from damage while shipping. So the first thing you come to is the base stand, and this is for just setting up. Remember, this dish is meant to be portable, so this allows you the portability that you can just put this stand anywhere. I know a lot of boaters, which we're going to be using this on a boat of course, that have permanently installed their dish in some fashion or another, but this is the stand that comes with the dish, so that you can just set it on any horizontal surface. Next we have the dish itself, and that's what it looks like. It's just a completely flat surface, no markings on it of any kind. And then on the back, the pole that goes into this stand, and a lone cable coming out of it. Now it's my understanding that this might move automatically when you're using the dish, but we'll find that out when we go to set it up. But I think this does have some motorized capability. This cable that is coming out of the dish is pretty long. I'd say maybe 20 foot. So you can reach quite a good length from it. It seems to have it's the shape of a USB micro C, but it's not a micro C. So it's probably a proprietary connector. I guess this is their instruction manual. It's instructions of some sort, a 3-step process. Apparently this is pretty simple to set up, so I'm looking forward to that. I like simplicity. Then we have the box. This is actually a lot larger than what I expected, based on descriptions I've seen about Starlink. But this is what transmits the signal out to your cell phone or TV, computer, whatever you're using Wi-Fi on. This is the component that transmits that signal. And it comes with a power cord. Looks fairly standard, although the connector that plugs into here does seem to be somewhat unique, so I'm not sure if just standard cords would fit in that plug, but we'll see how that hooks up shortly. Alright, so finally we do have an actual manual. It's not much. As I said, I've heard before, this is fairly simple to set up, and of course they have instructions online, I presume. This is a lot of different languages. I'm trying to find English, since that's what I speak. And on this page anyway, this little square right here, that's all the English. Everything else is a different language. So this page written in English is just safety warnings and stuff like that. So there's no instructions on this page. And then a final packing thing, and then the bottom of the box. So that's it. That's all that's in the box. There's not a whole lot there. As I said, it's supposed to be very simple to hook up, so you would expect not a lot of components if you're going to have simple. So that's the Starlink standard dish. And again, this is for use. One of the things, you can use the standard dish for various things, but we're going to be using it for the Starlink mobile. And looks pretty cool, so we're excited to get it going. Thanks for watching.